So I would ask you, I know you've focused a lot on the auditor. A lot of the talks I do is about becoming an advisor.
Yes.
It seems like this can also be used as an advisory service as well, that would alert an advisor when there's anomalies happening for one of their business clients as well. Like, does it have to be a audit function, or can it be an advisory service that they're delivering this?
So our key interest, what we want to do is to let the auditor sleep well at night.
Mm-hmm.
This is our target. We want to increase the efficiency, and we do that. We want to move the auditor from a number crunching to advisory role, to value add.
Right.
And of course, we want to reduce the risk because we do 100% testing. Absolutely correct. As we move down the food chain, the auditor is going to move from just doing number crunching to value add. And as time progresses, we are going to do it in real time or near real time.
Right.
Where as function take place, you're going to see it and alert. It doesn't have to be in real time. It can be near real time to alert. But then the auditor is in a position to provide value, to say, on the business side as opposed to on the engineering side. And there is one other important thing. If you look right now at a typical CPA, there are 38,000 CPA firms in the US alone. The normal way that the organization was distributed was a pyramid structure. You have a lot of young people at the beginning, at the bottom, you have managers, you have partners, and you have senior partner. Today, actually, it looks like a diamond shape.
Right.
Because a lot of the young people that enter into the field leave it.
Right.
Because it's very boring, tedious. They don't like to do that.
Yeah.
AI is going to rectify that problem because it can remove these boring jobs, tedious work from that.
Yeah, it's amazing. So one of the questions that I get asked a lot when I'm talking to accounting audiences about AI, machine learning, all these opportunities, especially in the audit field, is I'm a small to mid-sized firm. What are some real use cases of using this? How have firms put this in process? So do you have some examples of where you've seen firms put it into their audit workflow? Are they doing it in a piece of the audit workflow right now? Do they test it on the outside of their audit before? They might take one or two audits, test it, and then start implementing it a year later. Like, what are you seeing as a best practice to put a tool like this in place?
I'm going to put you in touch with one of our small audit firm. And I will say what she said, but then I would like you to talk to her. Her name is Samantha Bali. And I actually,
I know Samantha.
Talk to her and see what it is. What happened? She saw the world of AI and the Big Four. And she said, because we had her in our event in Washington, she told the story. She heard the Big Four saying, we're going to have the AI. She said, holy smoke, they are going to basically get me out of business in the audit side. So she saw our product, and she now will not do any audit. If in an audit firm, as an audit firm, if she go to her clients and they don't agree that she will use it, she will not agree to take them on. It basically gives her the confidence that, and this is a small firm, right? The confidence that the data said she can sleep well at night. But we have also large organizations. We have many of the top 100 using the firms, and we have some in the UK as well, in Australia and others. What they do, some of them are really now going to full implementation, and they, especially, let's take the example in the UK, they are going to full implementation where they use it to select the sample, because the methodology still have not changed.
Right.
And they can identify to the regulatory, but why did you select the sample? It's because the AI told me to select it, and these are the reasons. Because our AI is explainable AI. One of the big issues that they talk about AI is the black box.
Right.
Our AI is explainable. We actually can, when we identify an anomaly, we say, take a look at this one. And these are the 30 reasons why you should look at it. All we're saying is, we don't believe for the next, let's say 5 years, that AI will replace auditor.
Right.
AI is going to augment the power of the auditor to make them more reliable, more accurate, more sure that what they are putting their signature to is proper.
Yeah, totally makes sense. So thank you so much
You're very welcome.
taking the time to do that, and I think it will be helpful for everyone to